The very final step of Riddle Ruins is resetting the display if you get the answer wrong, and unlocking the door at the end of the temple if you get it right, releasing you from your sandy prison before the mummy gets you, or the scarab beetles eat you, or you fall in a snake pit. Pyramids and temples really are dangerous places, aren't they? What on earth do you want to risk this for? Let's get you out of here. Start out by adding an object equals update into the onCreate method of the display file. In the object space, create a new Boolean field called done and set its initial value to false. Boolean is a type of variable which can only have one of two possible values, true or false. We use it to store whether something is true or false at a given point in time. So done will be false to begin with in the onCreate method because we're going to use it to represent whether the player has completed this puzzle, and we don't want it to turn true until the player has put the right code into the keypad. We'll need to change it to true in the if statement within the enter combination method. So drag in another object equals update to enter combination, fill the object space with done, then set it to true. This tells us that when the combination has been entered correctly, the done Boolean field can be true. Next, let's destroy the locked door when the answer is correct. Build a new block in the enter combination method starting with object. Next, click on locked door. Then click destroy. Place your new block in enter combination and make sure it's below your Boolean. The locked door will now display if the answer is correct. To reset the display after every wrong answer so that players can try again if they get the code wrong, simply drag in an object equals update into the else statement in enter combination, then fill the object space with player input, and in the update space make it an empty string. Finally, you need to ensure you can't keep pressing buttons after the answer is correct, so add an if statement into the very top of the add digit method. This if statement will detect if the answer has been found, so drag in your Boolean field done into the top of it. All that's left to do now is prevent the rest of the code in add digit from running when done is true. To do this, search for return in the sidebar and drag it into the if statement you just made. This will return back out of the method without running any further code when the condition in the if statement is true. In this case, that will be when the keypad has been unlocked and done is true. And with that, the game is complete. Head to Roblox Studio, make sure your spawn point is back in the sandpit at the beginning, then test it out. You first journey through the corridor and tackle the planks with the axe, then grab the torch to burn through the cobwebs. You find yourself stuck in a large chamber with no way out other than the way you came in. Find the code hidden behind the fake wall